Hey, Ryan here. Today I want to show you a brand new feature in BindPlane called Live Preview that makes editing processors in real time much easier. So here we are looking at a configuration. We're sending some data off to Grafana from Postgres, and I want to make some changes, add a processor. And so like always, we're going to edit a new version, and we will click on our processor node. And immediately, you'll see a bunch of changes here. On the left, we have a snapshot. This is the same snapshot we've always had, except now, instead of showing you a snapshot of the data at the end of your pipeline, it's showing you a snapshot of your telemetry at that specific point in the pipeline. So in this case, just as the data is coming out of Postgres. On the right, we've got a live preview of any changes we're making with our processors. And so this is going to let us see our changes in real time without having to actually roll those changes out to our agents. So we can do some editing and experimentation before committing to a change. So let me show you what that looks like. We've got a bunch of info and debug logs, and I want to filter those out. So I'm going to add a severity filter. We'll set the minimum to warn. Click done. Boom. And just like that, all of those info and debug logs are filtered out. You can see we just have the fatal logs coming through. And so there we go. It's really easy. You can experiment with adding attributes, masking data, all of the things you would like to do with processors. Try them here, see a preview, and do that all without having to roll out your changes. All right, let us know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.